Hello, I'm Farhad, and here in the middle of the streets of Rome, I stopped for a moment to tell you about a trip that wasn't just a trip, it was an experience, a new discovery of life. When I arrived in Italy, it was like I had entered an old movie. Rome, with its stone buildings and the sound of church bells, took me to the heart of history. When I saw the Colosseum, I just stood and looked. I felt like time had gone back to the days when gladiators fought here. In the streets of Rome, everything was alive. People were smiling, cafes were full of conversation, and I just watched and breathed. At night, a cup of espresso, soft music, and a sense of peace that I had never experienced anywhere else. Florence was something else, a city that breathes with art. In the galleries, in front of paintings by Da Vinci and Botticelli, it was as if time had stopped. People dressed tastefully, spoke carefully, and lived with love. Then I went to Venice, the city on the water. As I rode the gondola and passed under the stone bridges, I felt like I was in a dream. The sound of the water, the reflection of the light, and that moment when a street musician started singing, everything seemed perfect. On the Amalfi Coast, by the cliffs, as I watched the sunset, I realized that this trip was not just about seeing. It was about touching life. Italians have a special style. Food is a ceremony for them, not just a promise. Family is sacred to them, and most importantly, they know how to enjoy the moments. This trip was a reminder for me that life, with all its hustle and bustle, can still be beautiful. Italy, for me, was a story that I am now sharing with you.
دوستان عکساتون رو سریع بذارید بقیه هم بتونن بیان. محکم نگرش دار، مواظب باش آقا. محکم نگرش. خالی. آقا مواظب باش، خیلی مواظب باش. دونات هم هست. درسته.
امکانات هست دیگه. هر امکانات هست. بهترین جا اینجا که جان؟